The world is full of life, yet some creatures seem to have come from another planet. They defy logic, bend the rules of evolution, and make you wonder, how are they even real? These are animals that shouldn't exist, but somehow they do. From fish that walk on land to birds that look like they came from a nightmare, nature's imagination knows no limits. In this video, we'll explore the unbelievable, the bizarre, and the beautifully strange. Each of these animals challenges what we think we know about life on Earth. So, sit back, open your mind, and get ready to meet 10 creatures that prove the line between fantasy and reality isn't as wide as we think. 1. The axolotl, the immortal salamander. Native to Mexico, the axolotl looks like a smiling cartoon, but it's one of nature's most advanced survivors. This amphibian never fully grows up. It stays in a juvenile form for its entire life, breathing through gills while living underwater. But what makes it unbelievable is its power to regrow entire body parts, limbs, spine, even parts of its brain. Scientists are studying the axolotl, hoping to unlock human regeneration secrets. A creature that refuses to age, refuses to die, and somehow keeps smiling through it all. Truly something that shouldn't exist. 2. The shoe-bill stork, the dinosaur bird. Standing over 4 feet tall with a massive shoe-shaped bill, this bird looks like it stepped straight out of prehistory. Found in the swamps of East Africa, the shoebill is known for its eerie stillness. It can stand motionless for hours before striking its prey with lightning speed. Its deep, echoing call sounds more like a dinosaur than a bird. When you see it, you don't just see a bird. You see evolution's living fossil. 3. The goblin shark, the deep-sea phantom. With its long, extendable jaw and translucent pink skin, the goblin shark is one of the ocean's most ancient and bizarre predators. It lurks thousands of feet below the surface, where sunlight never reaches. When it attacks, its jaw shoots out like a spring-loaded trap, catching prey in a blink. It's so strange, scientists call it a living fossil. Unchanged for millions of years, it looks more like a monster from a dream than something swimming beneath us right now. 4. The aye-aye, the lemur of nightmares. In Madagascar's forests lives the aye-aye, a nocturnal primate with huge eyes, bat-like ears, and one creepy, long middle finger it uses to tap on trees and extract insects. It's so strange-looking that local legends once called it a bad omen. But it's actually a genius, using echolocation like tapping to hunt in total darkness, proof that nature sometimes chooses the weirdest designs for the smartest hunters. 5. The leafy sea dragon, nature's perfect camouflage, floating off the coasts of Australia. The leafy sea dragon looks like drifting seaweed until it moves. Covered in delicate leaf-like fins, it's nearly invisible in its underwater world. It doesn't have predators because hardly anything even notices it's there. It's not fast or fierce, just impossibly beautiful, a living piece of camouflage art that shows how survival can be elegant, not brutal. 6. The platypus, nature's mix-up. When explorers first discovered the platypus in Australia, scientists thought it was fake, stitched together from different animals. It lays eggs like a reptile, has the bill of a duck, the tail of a beaver, and even venomous spurs like a snake. It's a mammal that breaks every rule of what a mammal should be. The platypus is evolution's reminder that The natural world doesn't care about categories. It just creates. 7. The mantis shrimp, the underwater boxer. This colorful little creature might look harmless, but its punch is strong enough to break aquarium glass. Its eyes are among the most complex in the animal kingdom, capable of seeing colors we can't even imagine. When it strikes, it moves faster than a bullet, generating heat and light underwater. It's small, but it's one of the most powerful predators on the planet. 8. The glass frog, the transparent wonder. High in the rainforests of Central and South America lives a tiny frog whose skin is completely see-through. You can see its beating heart, its stomach, even its food digesting. It's delicate, fragile, and completely exposed, yet it thrives. A quiet reminder that sometimes the strangest forms of life are also the most resilient. 9. The Yeti crab, the hairy deep-sea survivor. Discovered near hydrothermal vents deep in the Pacific Ocean, the Yeti crab lives in one of the harshest places on Earth. Its claws are covered in white, hair-like filaments that grow bacteria, which it uses to clean toxic chemicals from its environment. It doesn't just survive. It engineers its own ecosystem, a creature of fire and darkness, quietly keeping balance where life shouldn't exist at all. 10. The saiga antelope, the alien of the steppe. With its large, bulbous nose and almost cartoonish face, the saiga antelope looks unreal. That strange nose filters dust and regulates temperature on the cold Asian steppes. It's been hunted to near extinction, yet it continues to fight for survival, roaming the grasslands as a relic of the Ice Age. A real creature that feels like it belongs in a dream. The world still hides secrets, creatures that remind us evolution isn't finished, and life still writes its story in unexpected ways. From ancient survivors to fragile wonders, these animals prove that nature doesn't follow our rules. If you enjoyed discovering these unbelievable creatures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. There's still so much of Earth's mystery waiting to be explored.